Okay guys, here I am removing the bolt from the brake booster. You can see I got that one. I just need the bottom one. I think I'm ready. I already loosened it up and with a flathead. Okay, here it is. Some light. Come on. Here it is. As you can see, I had to use a flathead. See? And there. Because it was really tight and there's no room to use a tool down there, not even a socket or a wrench, anything. So, and I put this to hold this so it doesn't damage my brake lines. So this ratchet is holding there. And I think I got it. I already got the inside too disconnected. Right down there. I already disconnect this. It was just with a pin. Oh, there by the wall, and then this other one right here. Okay, a lot of work, but I got it. And now I got to put a new one already. Oh, this is the new one right here. And master cylinder right here. Okay, still working on this car. Ready to take it out. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Or maybe I can put the phone right there. Somewhere. I don't know how to do this. I'm trying to get it on video at the same time. Maybe like that. Okay. Here we go. Here we have it. There. Whoo. This is a piece of junk. Okay. So I gotta get this. Gotta remove this anyway because I need this plate for the new one. And in the future, I don't know. This might be Loctite. There's some people, whoever had this car before, the original owner, the guy from the original owner, maybe here they use Loctite or something. Because this car was modified for racing or something. It has a lot of stuff. Okay, that's it for now.